What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and just in time for the big game, today we're making crispy chicken wings out of the oven right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. To make sure that these wings are crispy out of the oven, we had to do a little bit of prep first. So last night what I did was I patted these chicken wings down with paper towels to get as dry as I could get them, and then I mixed them in a bowl with 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, not baking soda, as well as a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. The reason why we're putting the baking powder in there is because it changes the pH level of the chicken wings, which will promote a better browning and crispiness out of the oven. Once everything was mixed, I put the wings on a baking sheet with a rack, and I set it in the fridge overnight. Now, if you don't have enough time to put these in the fridge the night before, you could do this the morning of. The main goal is just to get as much time in the refrigerator uncovered as possible. We want to dry out the skin. Now that these are out of the fridge, they're ready to go into a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes, and then we're going to bump the heat up to 450 degrees for the last 20. So our wings have come out of the oven and they're super crispy, you could even hear it. So what we're gonna do with our wings is we're gonna make two different sauces. And the first sauce we're gonna make is gonna be an Asian-inspired sort of sticky sauce for the wings. So in a large pan over medium to medium-high heat, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so of cooking oil. And to that, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 clove of minced garlic, about 1 Thai chili. You can use about a teaspoon of Serrano if you can't find Thai chilies, as well as 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of fish sauce, and half of a cup of Thai chili sauce. We're gonna cook this down until it reduces and gets super sticky, and then we're gonna toss in our wings. So we're gonna cook these just for a minute or so we can coat all the wings, and then we're going to plate them up and top them with some sliced green onions and sesame seeds. So for the second sauce, we're gonna make kind of a barbecue spicy wing sauce. So in a large pan, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, along with a 1/3 cup of whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like, a 1/4 cup of whatever wing sauce you like, and about a tablespoon of honey. Now we're just gonna cook this until the butter melts and everything combines, and then we're gonna toss our wings in. And there you have 2 awesome wing recipes just in time for game day. It turns out with a little bit of planning and some help from science, you can get crispy wings out of the oven. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA.